Hey guys, it's Jordan Hetrick and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a quick little tip for all of you GoPro owners. When you first got your GoPro, it probably looked like this. Nice clean mounting fingers. But even if you rinse your camera, over time, these fingers get corroded. They end up looking a bit more like this. And when the fingers look like this, it can actually be hard to mount your camera. They start to bulge out and it's hard to slide it into the mount. Obviously, you can do the most you can to prevent it by rinsing your camera in fresh water every time you take it out. Even if you rinse your camera off all the time, there's still going to be some corrosion on those mounting fingers. Just must have to do with the way they made them for some reason. So you'll see even on this Hero 13 here, there's some corrosion. This is a fairly new camera. I found a few different options for cleaning that corrosion off to take care of it before it gets too bad. There's a few different things you can use. However, a couple of them are not recommended. For example, a lot of people say to use alcohol to wipe it off, but that can actually affect the rubber on the camera, so you don't want to affect any of those gaskets or seals on your GoPro. Another thing that's commonly suggested is vinegar, which works pretty well if you just soak a little bit of vinegar. It will remove a lot of that corrosion. However, that can also affect the rubber, so that's not really the best option. From my experience and what I've researched, the best option is to take about a tablespoon of baking soda and mix it with some water to make a little bit of solution. Then just put it in the base of a bowl so it's just deep enough to cover basically the bottom of the camera so these mounting fingers are in there. I don't like to soak the whole camera just because it seems unnecessary. Let it soak in there for about 20 to 30 minutes. And when you pull it out, rinse your camera off with some fresh water and you'll notice a lot of that corrosion is gone. So for me, that's just a great way to maintain these mounting fingers over time. However, even if you do that, eventually the mounting fingers seem like they're going to corrode. And once they start to affect your mounting, for example, the mounting fingers on this one won't go totally straight up, which makes it really hard to put it into a mount. And also when I try to lay them flat, you'll see it's not totally flat to the surface, which makes it hard to set the camera down on a flat surface. If your mounting fingers get to that point, like mine often do, then it's time for an easy fix. You can buy a set of the replacement folding fingers from GoPro. The replacement mounting fingers are available for any GoPro that uses them, from the Hero 8 up to the Hero 13, and also the GoPro Max. So just be sure to buy the replaceable mounting fingers that are compatible with your camera. Let me just show you how to put them on. So you can just order this little kit. It's got the replacement mounting fingers in it, some brand new ones, the screwdriver you're gonna need to screw them in, and 4 new screws. So it's really simple. It costs $20 if you're not a subscriber, or $10 if you're a GoPro subscriber. And all you need to do to replace those folding fingers is just simply unscrew the 4 screws here on the bottom of the camera. The mounting fingers will slide off. Then just pop on the new mounting fingers, tighten those new screws, and your camera is basically as good as new. It's ready to go. A GoPro camera can last a long time, especially if you take care of little things like that ends up corroding, and you can get some great footage. So I hope you guys are having fun with your GoPro camera. Also, everybody's different, and I know not everybody's gonna need a book, but for those of you who would find a book helpful, I've got a book for each of the different camera models, and it's got everything from start to finish, so you have this great resource available. And I know that's gonna be really helpful for you guys, so if that sounds like something you would like, be sure to check out the link in the video description below for the book for your camera model. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video.